जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर 27th श्लोका. Arjuna is looking at Kauravas army. Arjuna is identifying there are so many uncles, there are so many elderly people, there are so many friends, there are so many relatives in that army. While thinking about this meaning in our mind, also while visualizing that we are sitting in the shoes of Arjuna right in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma, and also while thinking that Krishna Paramatma giving Gitopadesam to us directly, let us now chant the sloka. Svesuran Suhrudaschaiva Senayoho Vubhayorapi Tan Samikshya Sakaunteyaha Sarvan Bandhun Avasthitan Vum. The moral from this sloka which we have to be practicing: no matter how many of your relatives are there on unrighteous side, do not go with them. You can travel in righteous way by alone. Just because there are so many relatives on other adharmam side, don't go with them. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma, through 18th chapter, 66th and 69th sloka, strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Sri Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me alone, unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Keep spreading my Bhagavad Gita to all the devotees. If you do like that, you will become my most beloved devotee. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, no matter how many of my relatives are there going along with unrighteous path, I will not follow them. I shall definitely go in righteous way, even if I am by myself. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall spread Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Ho Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Let us do Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Let us do Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Let us do Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Suta Maharshi narrating the story about how Arjuna is chasing Aswathama. When Arjuna was chasing Aswathama released, shooted an arrow called as Brahmastram, even though he does not know how to withdraw. That Brahmastram was giving so much of terrible tejas around the entire world. When Arjuna saw that and asked Krishna Paramatma, now Krishna Paramatma saying that, oh Arjuna, this is the Brahmastram shooted by Aswathama, even though he does not know how to withdraw, because he is in life and death situation, he shooted this Brahmastram. Arjuna, no other missiles can go against this Brahmastram. So you will also have to shoot Brahmastram. Come on, go ahead and shoot Brahmastram. When Krishna Paramatma asked Arjuna to do that, immediately Arjuna sprishtva apaha tam parikramya brahmam. He did touch the water and he immediately did pradakshina around Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is Parabrahma himself, Paramapurusha himself. Arjuna did pradakshina around Krishna Paramatma and then shooted Brahmastram. When Arjuna shooted Brahmastram, this Brahmastram and that Brahmastram, both of them bombarded each other, both of them attacked each other. Then Avanivyo Mamulandu Nindi Tamalo Narendu Brahmastramul. When both of them are attacking each other from there, so many fires are coming, and that fire is, that tejas is, that terrible tejas is spreaded all over the world, and all the people started getting scared from that. And also Arjuna noticed that this fire is going to completely destroy all the worlds. Arjuna also knew that if something is destroying, if something is destructing the worlds, Krishna would not like that. Krishna always likes Loka Kalyanam. So Arjuna, thinking about that, immediately Sanjahara Arjuna Dvayam. Arjuna himself again withdrew both the Brahmastras, his Brahmastram and also Aswathama's Brahmastram. Then Arjuna goes to Aswathama, and Arjuna tied Aswathama just like people ties animals, just like that Arjuna tied and took Aswathama into his custody and dragging towards the place where they are living. Then Krishna says, oh Arjuna, come on, go ahead and kill this Aswathama. He deserves that death, because he killed small innocent children who were sleeping. Arjuna, do not spare him. Mattam, pramattam, unmattam, suptam, balam, prapannam, striyam, jadam. Arjuna, you know that in our Dharma Shastra it says, those who are not ready, don't kill them. Those who are in dizziness, don't kill them. Those who are mad, don't kill them. Those who are sleeping, don't kill them. Those who are scared and running away, don't kill them. Those who are small children, don't kill them. Those who are girls, ladies, women, don't kill them. Those who are completely surrendered, don't kill them. But this Aswathama killed small children, that too who were sleeping. Come on, Arjuna, don't spare him. Come on, kill him. Also, you gave a word to Draupadi that you would bring his head to Draupadi. That is why, come on, go ahead and kill Aswathama. Like that, Krishna Paramatma sounding that he is encouraging Arjuna, but in a way that Krishna Paramatma is testing Arjuna what he is going to be doing. Like that, Krishna Paramatma is testing. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे तिष्ठति सर्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर 27th श्लोक। स्वेसुरान् सुहृदश्चैव सेनयोः उभयोरपि तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः सर्वान् बन्धून् अवस्थितान्। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।